Welcome to this tutorial on creating a 3D card that breaks out of its frame using pure CSS and JavaScript. This stunning effect uses perspective transforms, smooth animations, and particle effects for a professional look. We start with a CSS reset to remove default margins and paddings. The body gets a dark gradient background, centered content using flexbox, and hidden overflow to prevent scroll bars during animations. The header is centered with a high Z index to stay above other elements. The H1 uses a gradient text effect achieved with background clip, which only works in WebKit browsers. The card container establishes a 1500px perspective for 3D transforms. We have two elements, the card frame that will shrink on hover, and the card itself with Preserve 3D for proper 3D rendering. Both use custom easing functions for smooth animations. On hover, the card moves forward 50px on the z-axis with slight rotation, creating the 3D effect. Simultaneously, the frame scales down slightly and gets a glowing shadow, enhancing the breaking out illusion. The card has a gradient background and content positioned above it with flexbox for proper spacing. The button uses backdrop filter for a glassmorphism effect. We create ambient background elements with glow effects using radial gradients and blur filters. Particles are circular elements with a floating animation for subtle movement. Our HTML consists of four main sections: background glow elements, floating particles, the header text, and the card container which houses our 3D card. The JavaScript enhances the interaction by making the card rotate based on mouse position. We calculate the cursor's position relative to the card center and adjust the rotation angles accordingly. The createParticles function dynamically generates particles with random sizes, positions, and animation durations for an organic feel. And that's how you create a stunning 3D card that breaks out of its frame. Experiment with different perspective values, transform properties, and timing functions to create your own variations. Source code link in the description. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more CSS tutorials. Thanks for watching.